Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change server and Dark War Survival. Here's how to change servers and Dark War Survival. First, tap your survivor profile in the top left corner of the screen. Select the account button next to the settings icon. To control which server you're on, you will need a bound account. Link your email to your account, which will require a quick verification code, but usually takes just a minute. Once your account is successfully bound, go to Character Management to switch servers. In Dark War Survival, servers are referred to as states like State 128. When creating a new character, you can select the state you want to play in. Remember, each server operates independently, meaning your progress levels and watchtowers are unique to that specific account on that state. So if you want to try a different server experience, make sure to plan accordingly and enjoy exploring the new challenges each server offers. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.